Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to trim an image using Photoshop. Basically by trimming an image, what I mean to say is that remove these white borders. So basically if you want to remove these white borders, so you have this logo or you have to change your DP for that matter, and you have to display some logo on your DP, and you don't want that white border to be there. So you would want to crop the image, right? And for that what you would do is just go to the crop tool and just start by precisely dragging it across the logo so that it doesn't look bad, and it gets rid of the border. But when you press enter, you might realize that you have made a mistake while cropping, and some part of the image that you have cropped and some part of the image is that you haven't cropped, and it definitely looks bad, right? So for that, Photoshop provides to us one feature that less people know of, but it's a very useful feature and a very easy feature to be used. So for that, what we have to do is just go to the image portion over here, and under image we have the option called as trim. So when you go to trim, you get this toolbar over here. I'll just drag it towards the right. So you get this toolbar over here which says based on transparent pixels, top left pixel color, bottom right pixel color, and then you have the options of trim away, top, bottom, left and right. You can choose any, but in this case I want to remove the white portion. So if I select top left pixel color, it will select a region like this region, a color from this region, and then what would happen is just it will remove that color from the image until the next color or the border of a different object appears. Same way with bottom right pixel color. So if I have to remove a color that is in the bottom right of the image, I can select bottom right pixel color and it will crop that color from the image and give us the final result. When it comes to transparent pixels, so if you have any watermark or if you have any logo that's on transparent background, it would work on transparent pixels as well. And now we have the option as top, left, bottom and right. So it's dependent on me or on what part I want to crop. So if I want to crop just this square, the little square that contains the logo, I will say top, left, bottom and right, all of these. But if I just want to crop the bottom portion or the left portion, I'll just select that particular region and I'll uncheck all of these others, so that once I crop the image or once the image gets trimmed, it will just trim the portion that I selected. But currently I want to remove all these 4 sides, so I'll check on all of these 4 and I'll click on OK. And as you can see, it has precisely deleted the pixels that contain white color, and it has provided me the perfect image to be used for any purpose that I wish to. Same way with this one. Now in this case, as I said, this has a transparent background and this is a watermark. It has a transparent background. So again, to remove this extra pixels which are of no use to me, I can just go to image, again go to trim, and now I can select transparent pixels, because if I select top left pixel color, it would select somewhere in this region which I don't want. I want to select the transparent pixels because I want to delete the transparent ones, right? So I'll click on based on transparent pixels. Again, I'll trim away the top, left, bottom and right, all of these portions, and I can just click on OK. And as you can see, I've got a perfectly trimmed copy for my watermark, which I can use anywhere I wish to, and I don't have that extra pixels just roaming around there. So it's just I have got my image trimmed very perfectly and professionally without having to go to the crop tool and crop every single bit of image that I don't want. So it's an easier feature to use and it's quite relaxing, right? Because you don't have to do any of the long tricks. You just have to go to image, go to trim, select the region to trim, select the color to trim, and Photoshop would do the work. So well, that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.